Morning, guys. Shore fishing. Hi guys, how you doing? Pick up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. That's what's up. Yeah guys, so welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. This morning is tired. Had a long day yesterday. I was on the road all day yesterday. Came back in very tired, and wanted to get a little bit of evening fishing out. Wasn't able to do that yesterday, so this morning is not really a fishing event, guys. I'm actually going to do a little cook up today, and I'm most likely 99.9% is going to vlog it along with this intro that I'm doing. Just woke up very early in the morning. It's like 6 a.m. I'm heading down by the seaside to link up with Dark Dive, and I'm sure you guys know Dark Dive channel. Jump over to his channel, give him a like, share, subscribe to his thing. He's a diver. He does diving, and he does early morning divings, and he's gonna grab some fish and lobster for me this morning because I haven't really been out all week this week due to the fact of work. So basically I'm heading down to the seaside to meet up with him this morning, early this morning, and not only that, but to stop by my welder and all that and have him fix my grill. My grill has a hole in it, so I have to get that repaired and get that sorted this morning and get that up. So stay tuned, guys. I'm not going to draw this video out and sit here and a whole bunch of chatting and chit-chatting. Everybody must be like, oh, why is Jamaican shore fishing getting fish and whatever the case might be, and not catch it himself or getting, but I'm actually picking up lobsters, guys. So what I did was, while I'm picking up lobsters, showing support for my friend, I'm definitely going to purchase some of his fish along with that, giving him a little support. So it is what it is, guys. I definitely love supporting Jamaican businesses in Jamaica, and small businesses, large businesses, don't matter. I support Jamaican businesses and Jamaican owned businesses in Jamaica. You do support your own economy in a way. So big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned. I will click back in on this video when we get down on the seaside and let you guys definitely know, or show you guys what's going on and how he does his thing. So stay tuned, guys. Linking up with Dark Dive on his seaside and getting some lobsters to do a little cook up today for my family and friends and stuff like that. So stay tuned to Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are out here. Big up yourself. Dear YouTubers, big up yourself. Reach Dark Dive, you know. Big up yourself, guys. Early morning vibes. You know how we flex already, YouTube. When nobody hitch up on the thing, cause you don't know, so we have to check him early, because them man, you know, hitch up on them fish thing, you know. Them fish things sell quick. So you can't too free ground, yeah. You just make sure you come out early, bright and early like a birdie. That's it. Yeah, man. I check with Linky down there, so right now, nobody hitch up on anything, you know. Because you don't know, say, right away as the man come in, peoples. See me? Active, Dark Dive people. At this man, me have to check early now, man. If you get the lobster, them no people, so can't hitch up on the thing, cause then gone. Everything sell off. You know, watching video them. Right away. Make sure you go over to him channel, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the man thing and watch the ads, people. Here. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, guys. We out here, you know. So we out here with Dark Dive, and we're definitely out here and want to see Dark Dive catch peoples. And if in the Mobile side, Reading side, yeah, man. Can link him up.
Dark Dive. Shore fishing outside, don't it? Yeah, man. See, catch on the viewers.
Yeah, man. Look at that,
guys. A while ago. Get some nice crab.
Snow crab, guys. Look at that.
Fish them nice, same way. Woohoo!
Yeah, man.
Lobster
come in.
Yeah,
man.
Lobster for your boss in here, see me?
Yeah, man. We'll come in, come get some lobsters from Dark Dive.
Proper.
Because you don't know, we have to support the thing same way, you know, people. And one of our local business, you know, guys, and we have to build the economy same way, guys. Right, so you don't know, we have to get links and support our brethren same way.
Nah, laugh a road, no?
Nah. Outside. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing, guys.
Yeah, man.
Look at them snow crab, yeah, guys. Me love snow crab, you know, guys. And if you guys want snow crab, guys, look at
it. Order, though.
Pretty.
Proper.
Yeah, man. Look at this, guys. If you like the seafood vibes. Me know, man. Me know. You think, what make you think we come so early, brother? You think me I hitch up, man? You think that's why I'm shot down here early, people. 6 o'clock in the morning right now, and I make sure I come here, so come check the dinner.
Right away, though. Proper.
I don't want to waste some time, people, and definitely have a nice little cook up for this with some nice ladies tonight. I want you to stay tuned for that. Bless up yourself. You see it? Jamaican shore fishing. Yo.
Proper.
I just get my fish and lobster clean up, guys, and if you get a chance and you're in a Reading area right by Club Elevate, guys, make sure you come down here and link Dark Dive and you can get your fresh fish and do your orders. You see me?
Active.
So jump over him channel, guys, Dark Dive, and check out him thing. Him do a whole lot of diving and shoot a lot of fish, and you can get your orders from him directly, guys. So link up with him, guys, and check him out. Alright? Jamaican shore fishing. Outside.
Active.
Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. So guys, tonight I'm going to be doing some roast fish. So what I'm basically doing is just getting my seasoning ready to stuff that roast fish. Just going to stuff it with some regular seasoning, nothing fancy. Give it that flavor, that moisture on the inside, guys. So getting our stuff ready here, guys, and get our onions sliced and minced, the smallest that we can get it. Big up to Keisha on these knives, guys. Definitely. She sent me these knives from out of New York, and they're very definitely chef work, chefing up anything. So I'm basically just making some stuffing, guys. Stuff my fish before I drop it on the grill. Keeps the inside of it seasoned pretty well and moisture. I'm going to use so much of that. A bit of tomatoes, guys. I already washed these already, so. I like cooking with tomatoes, guys. Tomatoes are very healthy. Helps out with so much sicknesses. Get those in there, guys. Let's get this pepper. Half one that I was using last night. Don't waste it, so get as much of it off of here as possible. Get it cut up in small pieces. I can smell this pepper, how hot it is, people. Either Scotch bonnet pepper is really hot. You definitely don't want to touch your hands and then rub your eyes with this, guys. So. I'll rinse this knife off afterwards, so I don't go touching my hands and then touching something else. Get the sweet pepper in here. Right here. Small slices, guys, very thin. And dice them up very small. I don't want it too mushed out. I want a little crunchiness inside of the fish. That's why I'm not really nutripling in it or blending it. Get that. I want that little bit of veggie inside of the fish, guys. So we got our sweet peppers in, guys. Sweet peppers. Now I'm gonna drop some okras. Small okras, guys. thyme. Get some thyme in there, guys. Yeah guys, so I picked these fish up from Dark Dive and some lobsters, and big up to Dark Dives, thank him. I did a little order with him because I didn't really have the time to go out and go fishing, guys. So I actually called up Dark Dive yesterday and had him shoot some fish for me. It saves me a little bit of time where I could get to this today and get all of this completed. Big up to Dark Dive, guys. Jump over to his channels, please like, share, subscribe to the thing. The ads, guys. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for joining me, guys. Big up. One-on-one cooking with Jamaican shore fishing. That is awesome for you guys to show up, watch this video with me, guys, and join me on the experience of cooking up some fish, roasting up some fish too. All right, let's get this garlic in here, guys. Garlic. Definitely. Let's get these washed off. And ready to go and dice and slice. Alright, that's it, guys. Except for that stuff. Let's get this garbage out of here. Come on. Clean as you go, guys. That's what's up. Clean as you go. Yeah guys, we're gonna get the fish on the table now. Let's get them out of the fridge. There guys, so yeah guys, so the guy that cleaned this fish for me apparently didn't clean it properly, so I have to be using my fillet knife and cleaning up a little bit extra. So now I'll put this right here so I can work with this. So basically guys, these fins and stuff like that, I take them off, I get rid of them. I don't work with those because you can't eat them anyway, so it makes no sense even being there. They just get in the way of enjoying your fish. So let's get those bones out of the way, eliminate those. Get this back dorsal fin off. If you guys can see that. Get that off there. And then we get this next fin off down here. This bone. Sometimes do a little bit of challenge, but it's removable. Tail spur. And then the tail now, just keep them off here like this, guys. guys. Next side, call it scoring the fish. So I score it on either side, guys. And then once I get this clean up like this, I'm gonna drop this one side and get the next one out. Another pretty grunt right here, guys. Another one here, guys. When I'm seasoning up, I just continue seasoning and not worry about the fish at all. I got this nice pretty grouper too, guys. Look at that. Nice beautiful grouper, guys. This side. Let's get the tail fin. Yeah, these groupers are so meaty, guys. Full of meat. So, just toss the fin off of them. Just the right dinner size, guys. Not too big and not too small. See that? Pretty fish, guys. Look at that. It's about around to different people. I slice them up and then drop them in high press. So we're doing just like that, guys. So you guys can get a look what's going on here in the pan. Some nice pretty fish, guys. So load up, ready to season up. I'm gonna rinse these off real quick, guys. Get some water on them, and I'm gonna slice this barracuda up. So the barra is like in steak form. So start off right there. Some people just like that. I'll season up this now. I'll season up the barrier right now, guys, and then get it inside of thing. Understand? So we are dropping in like that. So we have the grill. This is what we're going to use, guys. I'm going to throw that bad boy in there. Get them sorted. All right. I'll drop them in here, so I'll get a little jerk seasoning, people. Guys, all spice jerky, island spice people, jerk seasoning here, so that's everything seasoned up, and then grab some of my mix up here, so I know I'm just gonna rub them in. Oh shit. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna get this one ready and get it situated. Let me get this board cleared off real quick so I can have it to use. Yep, fresh board again. And let's get this open. Get these bad boys in there. Drop them on there like that, guys, because that's just the way we're gonna roast them on there, guys. Just like that. This is just a small barrel, nothing majorly big, but we're gonna jerk them just like this today, guys. Jerk barracuda. Look at that, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. That's how we do it, guys. Alright? So we all yummy. All that funny. You see me, guys? That's what's up. So what we're gonna do is just seal this bad boy up. And lock them up just like that, guys. Just like this to go on the grill, guys. So this is going to definitely slide on the grill in a bit. So I got to put this down in some place to rest until we're ready for that. Might just get a little bit more seasoning on there a little bit. Go like that, guys. Just like that. Alright, guys, so that's one situation done already, guys. Now it's time for the fish. Season up the fish now, guys. So we gotta get foil paper. I should have enough over here. Foil paper down. Gotta get butter. Definitely gotta get butter, guys. Alright guys, we'll start seasoning up these fish. Butter in here, guys. Yes, guys. So this is how we do it. Stuff them up. Roast fish, guys. That's what's up. Pile people roast fish. You understand, people? Yeah, guys. So this is how we do it. So what I do is basically foil paper them up, put them in a little package, and get them situated and waiting, so that when we get to the grill, we just slap them on and let them roast. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Welcome back, guys. I was just actually killing some time with these lobsters. I got them cleaned up earlier, and basically I had this guy clean them up for me, guys. And I'm not going to keep these things. They're kind of small, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash it off with some fresh water here. Got them deveined and cleaned up already. So get a plate so I don't make a mess here, guys. And get some seasoning on these guys one by one and get them in this dish so I can get them ready and prepped for roasting. Drop these fresh on the grill just like this, guys, and roast them up. Make sure the side is clean. I hate dealing with lobsters sometimes, guys, because they stick the hell out of you. They do. They stick you spurs on them, man. It hurts real bad sometimes. Let's get these bad boys seasoned up, and then I'll get the other seasoning on it. I got some more jerk seasoning that I'm gonna slap on it. I got some in a NutriBullet that I had blended up from earlier. Jerk seasoning, natural jerk seasoning that I make myself, guys. So just basically get these guys ready, seasoned up for roasting on the grill. Stay tuned, guys. See what's up. We have to started seasoning, guys, on some roast this. Throw this out. Use this bottle. Recycle. I kind of recycle them, guys. I just buy the package like this and just. All right, have that put up. Shore fishing recipe right here, so guys. Alright guys, so we do outside. I'm gonna link up with Dot Dive and Dot Dive shot these beautiful lobsters for me, guys. They're not that big, but they're pretty good. They are. They can work. Let's get these back out here. Guys. These season up pretty good, guys. And I actually made this jerk seasoning from scratch. I'm sure you guys seen me done it a million times already. And pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, all of that stuff, guys. So get this thing well seasoned up. Grill in a second, guys. Close this back up. Yeah man, so this is it, Jamaican shore fishing. So I got these seasoned up now, guys. We waiting on killing some time, guys. I'm actually waiting to light the grill up, so just stay tuned, guys. We're gonna light the grill up in a second and get these things on there, the fish, the chicken, and also some lobster. Alright guys, stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, shore fishing. Here we go. Kind of have my jerk table. My kayak's on my jerk table, so I can't really use that table. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this table closer over here that I can use it. Give me 1 second, you. Bang bang. So, yeah guys, we're doing it. Grillings and chillings. You hear me, guys? So we're gonna do some lobsters today, guys. So find a pot with less heat for the fish that has the least heat, guys. So I have to just add some prawns, some parrotfish, grouper, and all these things, guys. What's up with the fish on this today? Listen to me, guys. I'm going to make a short fishing way, guys. What's up with crime? Look at the barra.
This will go up and down and around. Hey, you want to be fancy on?
I just drop the barra one side over so he just take time on smoke, guys. I'm not even going to rush the thing with him. Let him sit right there. And I got the lobsters. You see that? Outside. Big up to Dot Dive, guys. Jump over to Dot Dive channel. Like, share, subscribe, watch the ads. You don't know. Yes, guys. Straight seafood on the grill, guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Have some fish on the grill. I roast some fish, guys, in foil paper, and then we have some lobsters that we're roasting up, sea crab, and we have a barrel we have smoke over there. So, seeing, guys, we also have some jerk chicken what we are doing at night too, guys. Don't have the jerk chicken seasoned up already. I wait, see them there. Make them go on easy back this up until we're ready to throw them there on, guys. But big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Stay tuned. Come on, guys. So now I got the chicken on there, guys. Got the barrel almost done up. Flipping that. I got the rest of the fish almost finished, guys. Got my lobster over here. We're doing it up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Big up yourself. You can take this in, Christian. I mean, or we can cover it with some foil paper. There's foil paper on top of the thingy there.
Where? Where's the foil?
Huh?
Where's the foil?
It's on top of the microwave. It's on top of the microwave. Try this out, guys. Check it out. Oh my God, fellas. Peoples. I eat that, huh? You bird like a yes. She got to it. Christian, this is yours. This is a special feature. We call it the sea roach. But it's
I
not
know.
really a sea roach.
It is a sea roach.
Right.
It is a sea roach.
That's you. So, I got Christian about to try the sea roach for the first time. Jerk. So, she's about to pull that out and
It's
tell me
hot.
how she likes it.
It's hot.
Let's pull the meat out of the shell. You want me to do it for you? You got it. She got it, people. Look at all that meat she got out of it. Mmm. How does it taste to you? Excellent.
Amazing.
That's what's up, guys.
Really yard style.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, we have Shawnee here too. Shawnee's taking a little video in. Pay attention to this so I don't burn this barrel up. I don't want it too dry, and I don't want it too burnt either. I'm gonna take this barrel off in a second,
A
guys.
little more. That's dope.
Yeah. So we have the chicken, we have the fish ready, the roast fish, lobsters ready, chicken ready. I'll mash up the barrel a while. Sorry, I never videoed that part, but I'm gonna get hungry, people. So you don't know. We are out here. Yeah, guys, I ate that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican shore fishing. So my Virgin Lands come check
Yes,
me.
man. Respect, man.
Yeah,
Well cooked.
yeah.
About to devour right now.
Yeah, man, some
Thank
fish
you,
and we have mass up a
guys.
thing today. I'm Virgin there, people, so.
Yeah.
Guys, we're digging at this food now. Now I'm gonna prolong the thing. Christian and Shawnee, them inside, I eat, everybody I eat them food.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.